हेलो एवरीवन, अपन बात करेंगे वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स की. सो विल राइट कंसेप्ट ऑफ वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. This is lecture 2 of mole concept, and this is very important topic, and we will further write that to understand electrolytes and its types, we must have knowledge about degree of dissociation. बेसिकली अपन को डिग्री ऑफ डिसोशिएशन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स को समझने के लिए. सो we'll write degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation is denoted by alpha. We'll simply write that first we'll write alpha is used for reactants. The term alpha is used for reactants. We'll write percentage alpha is equal to moles of reactant dissociated divided by moles of reactant dissociated divided by moles of reactant taken initially, basically taken initially in the reaction, multiplied by 100. This will give percentage alpha. Also we can write percentage alpha is equal to, instead of moles we will write molarity, because the container is same, so volume will remain the same. So we'll write molarity of reactant dissociated divided by molarity of reactant taken initially, multiplied by 100. This is very important formula. You need to remember molarity of reactant dissociated divided by molarity of reactant taken initially multiplied by 100. Now we'll write weak electrolytes. What are weak electrolytes? So basically electrolytes which are weakly dissociated into their ions. Basically during a reaction, the electrolytes which are weakly dissociated are the weak electrolytes. Simply this is the definition. Also we'll write that percentage alpha, basically percentage degree of dissociation for weak electrolytes is less than 10%. Percentage alpha is less than 10% for weak electrolytes. This is very important. Note also we'll write examples. Examples for weak electrolytes are: example A, weak acids. Weak acids like HCOH, CS3COH and H2CO3, H3PO4, HF. These are examples of weak electrolytes. Also weak bases are also weak electrolytes. Example NH3, NH4OH. Also mostly organic bases are weak bases which are weak electrolytes, basically like CS3, NH2. Now moving further, we'll write a reaction here for weak electrolytes. We had HF as one of weak electrolyte. HF dissociates into H plus and F minus ions here. At T equal to 0 we have 2 m of HF, and T equal to 2 T seconds we have 1.98 m of HF. Basically the H plus formed and F minus formed will be 2 minus 1.98 m respectively. So we'll write percentage alpha is equal to molarity of reactant dissociated divided by molarity of reactant taken initially multiplied by 100. This was the formula. Simply we will apply formula in this above example. So molarity of reactant dissociated is 2 minus 1.98 divided by taken initially, which is 2, multiplied by 100. On solving, it will come out to be 1%, which is less than percentage alpha here is less than 10%, right? So it is weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte because percentage alpha in this case is less than 10%. Hope you understand this. Now moving further, we'll write about strong electrolytes. First we'll write the definition. We'll write that electrolytes which are almost completely dissociated into their ions. बेसिकली जो completely dissociate हो जाते हैं रिएक्शन के दौरान अपने आयंस में, उन्हीं को strong electrolytes बोलते हैं. Electrolytes which are almost completely dissociated into their ions in aqueous solution. Here percentage alpha is more than 90%. This is an important point here, that percentage degree of dissociation will be greater than 19%. Examples will write strong acids. Strong acids are strong electrolytes. Example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, and other strong acids like HClO4, HI, HBr. Like for H2SO4, we can write H2SO4 in aqueous solution dissociates into 2H plus and SO4 minus 2 ions. At T equal to 0, we have 0.1 m molarity of H2SO4. At T equal to T second, it completely dissociates, so we get 0 m. We can write percentage alpha is 0.1 minus 0 divided by 0.1 multiplied by 100, right? So it will come out to be 100%. This means it's a strong electrolyte because degree of dissociation is greater than 90%. Simply. Now moving further, we'll write B, strong bases. Strong bases are also strong electrolytes. Example of strong bases, NaOH, LiOH, CaOH whole twice, AlOH whole thrice, CSOH, KOH. These are examples of strong bases. Like suppose here we take an example of AlOH whole thrice. It dissociates into Al plus 3 and 3 OH minus ions. T equal to 0 second, we have 0.5 m of AlOH whole thrice. T equal to 2 T seconds, it completely dissociates. So we get 0 m. Al plus 3 formed is 0.5 m, whereas OH minus ions formed is 3 times 0.5 m. So we'll write percentage alpha is degree of dissociation as molarity dissociated divided by molarity of reactant taken initially multiplied by 100. Simply putting values, it will come out to be 100%. This means it's a strong electrolyte. Also, another example C is salts of group 1 and group 2. These are also strong electrolytes. So salts of group 1 and group 2 metals are strong electrolytes. Example NaCl, Kf, RbF, MgCl2, LiCl. This is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.